This is the Stanley Rotator, which is a ratchet system with a slight difference. Firstly, it has a lock-on button, so once you get your socket that you're using, you can actually lock it into position, which will avoid it dropping into the engine and you losing it. And it also has a facility for a rapid tighten. If the nut and bolt, there's very little friction between them, you can just twist the handle and it flies in there really quickly until it just begins to bite, and you can finish it off just with the traditional ratchet mechanism, like so. It's available in a 1/4 inch and 3/8 sizes, and it's great for working in confined spaces.
Do you suffer the frustration of streaky, smeared windows and messy seals, even after hours of cleaning effort? Well, Karcher has the solution for you. The Karcher Window Vac is the first of its kind, an innovative handheld window cleaner that gives you streak-free windows in a flash. This lightweight, rechargeable vac sucks surfaces completely dry with just one swipe, leaving behind smear-free, crystal-clear windows. Simply spray your windows with detergent, clean with a cloth, and then vacuum the dirty water away without drips. Weighing in at just 700 grams and easy to use, the Karcher Window Vac has a lithium-ion battery that can clean an area of up to 60 square meters in a single charge. That's 45 standard-size windows. Emptying the dirty water couldn't be easier.
Never misplace your keys or your smartphone again, thanks to the new SAEM Reperio Bluetooth Proximity Alarm and Key Finder from Veo. The slim and lightweight design is perfect to attach to your keys, bag, camera or anything valuable that you want to track by simply using the free iOS and Android Reperio app to locate your SAEM. If the distance between the Reperio and your smartphone becomes too big, a crystal clear alert will sound, so you'll know there's a problem before you leave your house without your keys, or before somebody walks away with your smartphone. The two-way alarm system helps you to find your lost item or your smartphone by sending an alarm signal from either the Reperio or from the smartphone to help you track down either. Even when you're out of Bluetooth range, our free Android and iOS app makes it easy to find the last known location by logging it on Google Maps so you can retrace your steps to find your item. It's a powerful, stylish looking fob and it's practical too.
Introducing the 6-pack charging station from DeWalt, designed to eliminate the need for 2-cycle gas mix on your truck and to charge the batteries necessary to power your DeWalt outdoor tools. Plug in and sequentially charge up to 6 40-volt max batteries at a fast rate, charging each DeWalt 7.5 amp-hour battery in under an hour and each 6 amp-hour battery in 45 minutes. Once one battery is charged, the charger will automatically switch to the next battery, choosing the battery closest to full charge. This charging station is also water resistant and has a cover that helps to protect the batteries from the elements. The 6-pack charging station provides an organized storage solution for your DeWalt batteries and makes it easy to transport your batteries when necessary. DeWalt 40-volt max outdoor tools, the only battery-powered lineup for landscapers that's gas performance guaranteed.